I think in 5 years we will see these fountains everywhere, and there will be no plastic bottles, at least, anymore sold in hotels or in other establishments. We provided plastic water bottles, 2 per room. To give you an idea, it were more than 40,000 water bottles on a year. So one of the reasons we opted for the Aquablu fountains was to reduce the fact that we put in place so many plastic water bottles in our guest rooms on a yearly basis. Instead of course, the plastic bottle in the room, he can choose different flavors, he can choose sparkling or still water. The experience with Aquablu in one sentence, I would say I would definitely do it again.